So this outfit is definitely making me look a little bit shorter. I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to tell you the fixes. But as well as that, I'm going to include a bit of advice that I've never mentioned in my videos before. All while using Vogue's May issue for our inspiration. So I've done a few videos on how to look taller, but I've never done one like this before. I've never ended it with this piece of advice. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it today. That is the Devil Wears Prada cover with Anna Wintour and Meryl Streep. I find both of them extremely inspiring. It might be one of my favorite covers to date of Vogue, ever. Can't at the moment think of one that tops it. I just think there's so much power in friendship and collaboration. So I really love that this cover has captured that. We're looking for some inspiration to look taller, okay? This Balenciaga ad I love, maybe because it's black on black. I find black on black to be very elongating. I think it's very effective. Yep, can't go wrong with like a monochrome look. Good old Michael Kors with his monochrome campaign. Mrs. Mama Bear. I have not heard of Mrs. Mama Bear. I didn't even realize that that was the suit that I had dog-eared. This mom is on board. I know. I love a power suit. And what I love more than anything when it comes to a power suit is a power suit that's functional. It's very elongating because we have the monochrome colors, the same color throughout, but as well as that, then we have the high waist, accentuating that high waist and giving that 2/3 proportion, which is always going to give that elongation, that long line, and that's always going to make us look a little bit taller. Which brings us to this article. The two of them were interviewed by Greta Gerwig, so that's fun. True female powerhouse. Doesn't technically have anything to do with trying to be taller. However, there was something that Meryl said pretty early on in the interview. Basically, Greta asked, do you think about how women are meant to dress to communicate power? And Anna's answer we'll get to later. One of the things that Meryl said that sort of got me thinking, there's an apology built into women. They have to show their smallness. That really hit home with me. In my mom life now, there's moments where I feel like I need to make myself small, if that makes sense. Like I need to like blend into the background. But I think that's what I'm trying to work to change in myself and for others, is to, in these certain roles, especially domestic role, to not feel small. So I don't know. So I think that's why I want us to feel tall. Getting a little deep, as always, Emily. Let's get back to the outfit. How are we going to fix this outfit? How are we going to make ourselves look taller? How are we going to make ourselves look bigger? And what little tidbit do I have that's going to make every outfit better? So I think first off, to make us look taller, all you need is a simple little tuck, you know? Show the waistline or show the hip line to sort of elongate the legs a bit. Making ourselves taller definitely reminds me of Rebecca from Ted Lasso when she tells Nate about what she does before she goes into a conference room full of powerful men. She looks into the mirror and makes herself as big and tall as she can to feel her own power, to basically empower herself. So that's sort of like my visualization, is making ourselves taller to feel our own power. One of my favorite ways of making myself feel taller, and that is sort of broadening my shoulders to ultimately taper my whole body. Have like broader shoulders, and then it comes to a point, you know, at your feet are the point. So I think we can definitely add some tallness with one of my favorite blazers. Widen those shoulders, let your feet be the point, you know? But I think if we're looking to our Vogue example of the monochrome suit of the one color, what is elongating about that is you have your column of color. So it gives the eye that long length, that line to follow, and therefore gives you that visual of being taller. One of my new favorite things is matching my cardigan to my top. It's definitely a very 90s thing that's been ingrained in me. And as well as that, this is bringing in some length to frame the look, to add a bit of a longer line. So speaking of the sort of power suit, it makes me think about what Anna Wintour said in this interview. So when Greta asks the question, do you think about how women are meant to dress to communicate power? And Anna replies with, I don't think wearing a power suit to the office is in any way necessary. And it makes me think about the famous Anna quote that I'm going to completely butcher now. But ultimately it goes something like, give me the girl who dresses like herself versus the girl that dresses in head to toe labels. I think when somebody like Anna says this, it validates that really the most important thing is wearing stuff that feels good to us, that makes us feel like the best version of ourselves. So I think when we're speaking to looking tall, I think sometimes it's not about the technicalities. Sometimes it's just about wearing something that makes you feel tall. My version of the power suit that works for my everyday life is the Canadian suit. Yes, mama loves denim on denim. And then you get that true column of color. But as well as that, I don't know, the like grit and steeze that comes with denim, especially denim on denim, I don't know. It makes me feel powerful. I don't know what it is, but so this can definitely help, you know, a shorter gal feel a little bit taller. This definitely brings a little point and kind of elongates the leg, which I love. But you know what? Here's the thing. I know that technically in this original outfit, I'm wearing my Marni Chelsea boots that have the square-toed toe. They're not quite as elongating, no. But you know what? I feel like a badass bitch in them, not gonna lie. So for me, sometimes I think those rules have to be ignored, because if you feel good in something, if you feel powerful, you'll be powerful in it. So at the end of the day, I think that is what truly makes us taller. I don't think it's necessarily the technicalities. The technicalities, the fundamentals of styling can definitely help. What makes us taller in every outfit that we wear is the way that we visualize ourselves mentally, as well as the way we carry ourselves. So here it is. At the end of the day, my piece of advice. There's the classic. Straighten that spine, shoulders back, hold your head high, and you'll look taller in every outfit.